Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVEO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green lines are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely another nice bullish day, so there's some updates here that need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is not really an update, more so house cleaning, but just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that line still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But again, level right here at the green line at 275 here, that still totally pertains to the chart. But what I do want to add in now is a new ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can somehow stay above 287. Now, don't get me wrong. By no means am I saying if the price drops below 287, is the entire chart ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow stay up above that level, that would just be an insane amount of strength on the bull's part. At the end of the day, though, and taking a step back and looking at this from the big picture, I talked about this yesterday, and I will continue to talk about it because it really does make monitoring the overall movement the easiest. Just watch that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, having it stay above 287, that would be really, really great. But big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of resistance levels, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today up at 297. So keep an eye on that level going into tomorrow. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, everything else will continue to take care of itself. So just sit back and enjoy the trend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.